Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Ragi milk chocolate smoothie recipe, a healthy calcium-rich breakfast smoothie for those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a glass or a cup, add in 1 tablespoon sprouted ragi milk powder. Ragi milk powder is made by grinding sprouted whole ragi. It's a natural source of calcium and supports bone health. Do check out my website for more information on sprouted ragi milk powder. Add in 10 to 15 grams of ceremonial cacao. Ceremonial cacao is a pure, least processed form of chocolate made from cacao beans and has natural cocoa butter. More details are on my website www.nisahomey.com. Also, for my regular viewers, there is a 10% off. Use coupon code NISAHOMEY10 at checkout for the discount. Add in about 1/4 cup of hot water. Give it a stir. I'm using ceremonial cacao for the antioxidants, the pure chocolate flavor, and for the healthy fats from the cocoa butter. And I'm going to keep this aside and allowing it to cool down. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. Add in the ragi milk and ceremonial cacao mix. 1 tablespoon flax seeds for that extra fiber, omega-3 healthy fats. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. This is entirely optional. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence easily blendable. If you're using ordinary dates, you may need to soak it in hot water. Medjool dates are easily blendable, so there is no need to soak in hot water. Next, I'm adding in half of a very ripe banana. The riper the banana, the more sweeter it will be. 1 scoop of raw protein powder. Now this is entirely optional. If you don't prefer to use protein powder, you can totally skip it. And I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed into a smoothie batter consistency. Pour the thick and creamy smoothie into a serving glass. And my super healthy ragi milk chocolate smoothie is ready to serve.